Hello students, welcome to Latin 4 and 120. I'm sorry, I'm not at Hofstra today. I hope you all received the message. I know that some of you are not at Hofstra either, so when my chair encouraged all of us not to go, I thought that this would be actually easier to be able to talk to all of you, also those who have not reached Hofstra yet for the weather. What I would like to do today, because I really want Wednesday to start working for real, is to go on our Blackboard website. In fact, you are already there if you're watching this video, and read with attention the syllabus, in which I explain what we are going to read and Ovid and Marshall this semester, and how the class is, the requirements for the class are a little bit divided between those of you who are advanced students and those of you who are in fact only intermediate students, but we will work all together. Together with the syllabus, I attach also how to get the most out of a Latin class, which will work for both the Latin and the Greek classes. I know I will see many of you in the for several hours this semester, because I'm going to play also Professor Smith part and teach you the Greek class. So that handout about how to get the most out of a Latin class is valid just for Greek as well. Read it with attention, because I really want to change the way to approach these classes. The intermediate and advanced classes sometimes get to be a little bit frustrating, both for the teacher and the students, because it is quite boring, I think, to just go over the homework. So I want to approach it differently this semester, because I don't want to get bored. I have too many classes with you. So I want you to have a different approach to the Latin texts. I want you to prepare the text without writing down your translation, and really study the text. Read the Latin text, not translating it, okay? Understanding it. Writing on your page everything that you need in order to reconstruct the translation. Not the translation, it's the wrong term, to reconstruct the meaning, okay? Let's try to get to what these texts really mean, okay? So, for Wednesday, so what I would like you to do now is read the syllabus very well and read the handout to get the most out of the Latin class. Write me in email questions if you have them, okay? And then start preparing the homework for Wednesday, meaning I'll send you, I give you 3 links with the Life of Ovid and Introduction to Ovid's Amores, which is the first text that we are going to read. About Ovid, we'll do, I want you to touch upon all the texts that Ovid has written, so we'll read a little bit of everything. We'll start with Amores 1-1, and we'll talk about how to read the Latin meter, the elegiac couplet immediately on Wednesday. But I want you to work on the text already before Wednesday. So read the whole of Amores 1-1. I give you the text, because in the textbook you have only the first 4 lines, so I'm giving you, under course documents, you will find a handout with the text and with the vocabulary for Amores 1-1. So work through it, okay? This will terrify those of you. Some of you have just jumped from Latin 1, have studied by yourself Latin 2 during January, and so you will feel completely lost. Do not worry. Just go through the text, see what you are understanding, recognize the verb forms, okay, and then we will work through the text together on Wednesday. But I want you all to have it studied it for real, okay? Make it yours so that when you arrive in class, this is a text that is very familiar already to you. You have read it aloud several times, and you have tried to decipher it. Okay. Don't worry, you will not be judged on how you do it, okay, for Wednesday, but I want you to work through it. Feel free to send me messages asking me any question you may have, okay, to work through it. I'm online 24/7 these days, and on Wednesday, trains and everything should work fine. All this snow, we have been unburied today, so we can actually leave the house. This is what I want you to do, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you on Wednesday. Bring the handout with the Amores 1-1 and the textbook of Ovid, okay? And we will I will answer your questions the first 5 minutes, and then we'll dive into the Jack couplet and into reading Latin text. We are going to work on the Latin this semester, in the sense working through the text. I want you to approach the Latin text in a different way, okay? Looking forward to seeing you. Bye.